Hello and welcome to the How to Make a Payment tutorial. To pay your bill, on the first page you will need your phone and zip code. Once you've entered the correct information, you will see a screen like this. It will list all of your current personal information and make sure all of this information is correct and up to date. At the bottom of the page, there is a button that will list how much you owe this month. Click this button to move on to the next page. It is important to note that all online payments are subject to a $2 convenience fee. If you owe money or are making a late payment, there will be a button to the right of the total button that lists the amount that is past due. On the next page will be the payment page. Here you will enter all of your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and the security code. You can find the security code on the back of your credit card. You will also need to confirm your email address at the bottom of the page. On the bottom of the page is the option to be reminded of your monthly payments via text messages. So if you are like me and sometimes miss your payments, this is a really convenient feature to have. If you have any other questions that were not answered in this tutorial, please contact us at 1-888-949-6289 or visit us at any of the Insurance Navy locations. Our offices are available for payment information from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.